Hi everyone! For today's video, ang pag-aaralan natin is Grade 7 Math, Quarter 2, Module 6, Solving Linear Inequalities in One Variable. Ang nakaraang lesson natin is about solving linear equation in one variable. So ngayon naman, ang pag-aaralan natin is about linear inequalities, kung paano natin isolve at hanapin ang kanyang solution. Solution of an inequality is a value such that when you replace the variable with it, it makes the inequality true. Linear inequality in one variable can be written in the form of ax plus b is greater than or equal to, is greater than, is less than or equal to, is less than 0, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So, ang ating linear equation, ang ginamit natin is equal sign. Kapag sinabi nating inequality, linear inequalities ang pag-uusapan natin, ang makikita nating sign is ganito. So, greater than or equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, at less than. So, tatandaan nyo ang difference nilang dalawa. Example ng linear inequalities. Kapag sinabi mong 2x is greater than 5, so, ipagpalagay natin na ang value ni x is equal to 3. Okay, so si x daw is equal to 3 for example. So, 2 times the value of x, which is 3, is greater than 5. 2 times 3 is equal to 6, is greater than 5. Okay, so true ang ating example kasi 6 is greater than 5. So ito yung tinatawag nating linear inequalities. Ibig sabihin si 3 is a solution to our linear inequality na 2x is greater than 5. Meron tayong mga paraan kung paano natin isolve ang solution ng linear inequalities gaya ng ating linear equation. So, ang ating linear equation is meron tayong tatlong paraan. Ang ating linear inequalities is meron tayong dalawang paraan. Okay, ang first method is guess and check from the given replacement set. Okay, so meron tayong replacement set tapos i-check natin siya or isolve natin lahat para makita natin kung saan ba doon ang solution. Example, x minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. Find the solution from the given replacement set. Okay, ito yung replacement set natin. Negative 9, 0, 22, 23, and 30. So, gagamitin natin ang ating replacement set para mahanap natin ang solution natin sa ating linear inequalities na x minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. Mag-start tayo dito sa negative 9. So, kung si x is equal to negative 9, ang gagawin natin is i-replace lang natin si x. So, si x is negative 9 minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. So, negative and negative, pareho sila ng sign. Ibig sabihin, i-add natin at kopyahin natin ang common sign. So, ang common sign is negative. So, ang ating sagot is negative. Pagkatapos, i-add natin si 9 at si 7. So, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Negative 16 is less than or equal to 15. Okay. So, tama ba ang inequality nating ito? Negative 16 is is less than or equal to 15. Tama, dahil ang negative integer is less than always sa positive integer. Kahit na 16 pa yan siya, since negative siya, ibig sabihin maliit pa rin ang kanyang value compare kay 15. So, ibig sabihin tama ang ating solution na si negative 9 ang value ng x kasi negative 16 is mas maliit siya compare kay 15. So, this is true. Thus, negative 9 is a solution. So, ibig sabihin, si negative 9 is a solution to our linear inequalities. Dito naman tayo, kung ang value ng x is 0. Okay, so ang ating equation is x minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. Okay, so ito ang ating linear inequality. X minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. Kung ang value ni x is 0, isolve natin. para malaman natin kung si 0 ba is a solution sa ating linear inequality. Okay, so x, ang value ni x is 0, minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. So 0 minus 7 is equal to negative 7 is less than or equal to 15. Okay, so si negative 7 ba is less than 15? Yes, so this is true. Kasi si negative 7 is mas maliit kaysa kay 15 dahil negative integer siya. Thus, thus 0 is a solution. Okay, so meron na tayong dalawang solution. Negative 9 at 0. Okay, so check ito. Next, kapag si x naman is 22 ang kanyang value. Okay, so x minus 7, si x i-replace natin kay 22. So 22 minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. So positive and negative, isubtract natin and kopyahin natin ang sign ni 22 kasi mas malaki si 22. So positive ang ating sagot. So 22 minus 7 is equal to 15. Okay, so 15 is less than or equal to 15. Okay, so tama ba ang ating example na ito? 15 is less than or equal to 15? Tama, kasi 15 is equal to 15. Okay, so check ito. So ibig sabihin, si 22 is a solution to our linear inequality. Dito naman tayo for x is equal to 23. So kapag ang value naman ni x is 23, isolve natin. X, so si x is 23 minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. So 23 minus 7 is equal to 16. Is less than or equal to 15. 16 ba is mas maliit kay 15 or equal to 15? Hindi. Kasi mas malaki si 16. So ibig sabihin, 23 is not a solution. So hindi parte ng solution si 23. Ngayon, punta naman tayo kay 30. So, ipagpalagay natin na si x, ang kanyang value is 30. Okay, so x, so 30 minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. 30 minus 7 is equal to 23. Is less than or equal to 15. Tama ba ito? 23 is mas maliit kaysa kay 15 or equal to 15? Mali. Thus, 30 is not a solution. So, base sa ating mga sagot, ang parte ng ating solution set is si negative 9, si 0, at si 22. So, ito yung part ng ating solution sa ating linear inequality na x minus 7 is less than or equal to 15. Okay, another example tayo sa ating method number 1 na guess and check from the given replacement set bago tayo pumunta sa ating pangalawang method. Given 2x plus 1 is greater than 11. Okay, take note, greater than ang ating symbol dito. Find the solution or solutions from the given replacement set. Negative 6, positive 5, positive 6, positive 12, and positive 15. Okay, so isolve natin, hahanapin natin ang ating solution set sa ating linear inequality na ito gamit ang ating replacement set. So ngayon is isolve natin siya isa-isa para makita natin kung saan ba dito ang parte ng solution set ng ating linear inequality. Okay, so first, si negative 6. So kapag negative 6 ang value ni x, ito ang ating linear inequality. So 2 times the value of x na negative 6. So 2 times negative 6 plus 1 is greater than 11. So 2 times negative 6 is equal to negative 12. Kasi positive and negative is negative. Plus 1 is greater than 11. So negative and positive, of course, hindi magkapareho. So isubtract natin. At kokopyahin natin ang sign ng bigger number. So, ang bigger number is 12. So, negative ang ating sagot. And then, isubtract natin. So, 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. Is greater than 11. Okay. So, negative 11 is greater than 11. Tama ba ito? Mas malaki ba si negative 11 kaysa kay positive 11? Wrong. So, ibig sabihin, si negative 6 is not a solution to our linear inequality. Punta naman tayo sa pangalawa. So, kung si x naman is 5 ang kanyang value. Okay, solve natin. So, 2 times the value of x na 5 plus 1 is greater than 11. So, 2 times 5 is equal to 10 plus 1 is greater than 11. So, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 is greater than 11. True ba itong statement na ito? 11 is greater than 11? False. Kasi si 11 is not greater than 11. Equal silang dalawa. So, kung merong equal sign dito is greater than or equal to, so pwede pang maging true ang statement na ito. Pero wala tayong equal sign sa baba. Greater than lang. So, ibig sabihin, false ang statement na ito. Thus, positive 5 is not a solution to our linear inequality. Kapag 6 naman ang value ni x, okay, so ang ating equation is 2x plus 1 is greater than 11. Kapag 6 naman ang value ni x, okay, so 2 times the value of x na 6 times 6 plus 1 is greater than 11. So, 2 times 6 is equal to 12 plus 1 is greater than 11. So, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13 is greater than 11. Okay, so tama ba ito? 13 is greater than 11? Yes, true ang statement na ito kasi si 13 is mas malaki siya kaysa kay 11. So therefore, si positive 6 is a solution to our linear inequality na 2x plus 1 is greater than 11. Dito naman tayo kung si x is a positive 12. Okay, so kung positive 12 si x, so 2 times the value of x na positive 12 plus 1 is greater than 11. So, 2 times 12 is equal to 24 plus 1 is greater than 11. So, 24 plus 1 is equal to 25 is greater than 11. Tama ba ito? 25 is greater than 11? Yes. So, this statement is true. Kasi si 25 is mas malaki talaga siya kaysa kay 11. So, therefore, positive 12 is a solution to our linear inequality. Another naman. So, kapag si x naman is positive 15. Okay, so 2 times the value of x na positive 15 plus 1 is greater than 11. So, 2 times 15 is equal to 30 plus 1 is greater than 11. So, 30 plus 1 is equal to 31 is greater than 11. Tama ba? Is this a true statement? Nga si 31 is greater than 11? Yes, kasi malaki talaga si 31 compare kay 11. So therefore, positive 15 is a solution to our linear inequality na 2x plus 1 is greater than 11. Base sa ating mga sagot, so ang part ng solution set natin are positive 6, positive 12, at positive 15 para maging true ang ating linear inequality. O, di ba napakadali lang ng method 1 natin kung paano natin hanapin ang solution ng linear inequality. That is guess and check from the given replacement set. So, isolve mo lang talaga yung binigay sa iyo na replacement set para mahanap mo kung saan doon ang solution sa iyong linear inequality. Solving linear inequality in one variable using algebraic method. Ang nakaraang lesson natin is pinag-aralan natin kung paano ba natin isolve ang linear inequality in one variable using guess and check from a given replacement set. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is algebraic method naman yung gagamitin natin. Pero before natin pag-aralan ang algebraic method, pag-aralan muna natin ang properties of inequalities. Merong 4 na properties of inequalities. First, trichotomy property. Ano yung trichotomy property? For any number A and B, one and only one of the following is true. A is less than B or A is equal to B or A is greater than B. Okay, so for any number A and B, isa lang dito ang totoo. It's either si A is maliit kaysa kay B, or si A is equal to B, or si A is mas malaki kaysa kay B. Example, one and only one of the following is true. So 3 is less than X, 3 is equal to X, or 3 is greater than X. So isa lang talaga dito ang pwedeng maging totoo. Hindi pwedeng magsabay silang tatlo. Second property is transitive property of inequality. For any real numbers A, B, and C, A. If A is less than B and B is less than C, then A is less than C. Kapag si A is maliit kaysa kay B at si B is mas maliit kaysa kay C, then si A is maliit kaysa kay C. At ang pangalawang case ng transitive property is if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then A is greater than C. So kung si A is mas malaki kaysa kay B at si B is mas malaki kaysa kay C, so of course si A mas malaki kay C. Examples. If 7 is less than X and X is less than 10, then 7 is less than 10. If 10 is greater than X and X is greater than 5, then 10 is greater than 5. Third is addition property of inequality or API. For all real numbers, A, B, and C, A. If A is less than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. And if A is greater than B, then A plus C is greater than B plus C. Okay, so para lang itong addition property of equality. Itong ating addition property of inequality. Okay, so nag-add tayo ng parehong number sa both sides. Gaya nito, nag-add tayo ng C sa both sides. At dito naman, nag-add tayo ng C sa both sides. Examples, if X plus 3 is less than 5, then X plus 3 plus 10 is less than 5 plus 10. So nag-add tayo ng 10 both sides. Letter B. If X plus 15 is greater than 5, then X plus 15 plus negative 15, take note negative ang na-add dito kasi positive si 15. Okay, so is greater than 5 plus negative 15. So nag-add tayo ng negative 15 both sides. Last property of inequality is multiplication property of inequality. For all real numbers, A, B, and C, then all the following are true. Okay, so A, if C is greater than 0 and A is less than B, then A multiplied by C is less than B multiplied by C. Okay, so ang addition is nag-add tayo both sides. Sa multiplication naman is i-multiply natin both sides sa parehong number. Gaya nito. So si A minultiply natin kay C at si B minultiply natin kay C. Another. If C is greater than 0 and A is greater than B, then A multiplied by C is greater than B multiplied by C. If C is less than 0 and A is less than B, then A is multiplied by C greater than B multiplied by C. If C is less than 0 and A is greater than B, then A multiplied by C is less than B multiplied by C. Kung variables yung pag-uusapan natin, nalilito tayo. So meron tayong examples para makita natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng mga points natin sa multiplication property of inequality. Okay, A. If 2x is less than 5, then 1 half multiplied by 2x is less than 1 half multiplied by 5. Ito yung sinabi ko na ang both sides is i-multiply natin pareho sa parehong number. So dahil 2x dito, i-multiply natin siya sa kanyang reciprocal. Ang reciprocal ni 2x or ni 2 is 1 half. Ibig sabihin kabaliktaran ni 2, si 2 is automatic meron siyang denominator na 1. So 2 over 1. Ang kabaliktaran ni 2 is 1 half. So i-multiply natin both sides ng 1 half. Another, if 3x is less than 10, then negative 1/3 multiplied by negative 3x is greater than negative 1/3 multiplied by 10. Okay, so dahil negative 3 ang ating numerical coefficient sa ating x, ang kabaliktaran ni negative 3 is negative 1/3. So, minultiply natin both sides ng negative 1/3. Take note, dito sa ating given is less than ang nakalagay. Pagkatapos nag-multiply tayo ng negative reciprocal, anong nangyari sa ating sign? Naging greater than. So, nagbago ang ating sign. Okay? So, this simply means that if we multiply a positive number to both sides of an inequality, the inequality symbol will not change. Gaya nitong ating first example. Dahil positive na reciprocal ang ating minultiply, sa both sides, hindi nagbago ang ating symbol. Pareho lang siya, less than. And however, if we multiply a negative number to both sides of the inequality, gaya nito, minultiply natin ng negative 1/3 ang both sides. Anong nangyari? The inequality symbol will change. Okay, so tatandaan natin na kapag negative number ang i-multiply natin sa both sides ng ating inequality, ang mangyayari sa ating symbol is mag-change. So, ang property niya is addition at multiplication lang. Kung magtatanong kayo, meron bang subtraction or division property of inequality? Ang sagot is wala. Kasi pareho lang yon sa equality. Na-covered na ang subtraction sa ating API or addition property of inequality. Kasi para ka lang nag-add ng negative number sa both sides of inequality. While ang division naman is covered na rin sa MPI or multiplication property of inequality dahil ang pag-multiply sa reciprocal is the same as dividing. So gaya nito, nag-multiply tayo sa kanyang reciprocal. So para lang din tayong nag-divide nito kasi kapag i-multiply natin siya, so 1, negative 1 times negative 3 is equal to positive 3 divided by 3. Okay, so ganon. And then sa addition naman is para ka lang nag-add ng hanapin ko ang addition. Para ka lang nag-add ng negative number, gaya nito, okay. Sa subtraction pala. So, dito is para ka lang nag-add ng negative number. So, this is subtraction kasi hindi magkapareho ang kanilang sign. Kaya, wala na tayong subtraction at division kasi covered na siya pareho sa API at sa MPI. Okay, napag-aralan na natin ang 4 na properties of inequality. So ngayon, punta na tayo sa method number 2, algebraic method. Paano natin kukunin ang solution ng linear inequality in one variable gamit ang algebraic method. Okay, meron tayong example dito. Solve and graph the solutions of the linear inequality 7x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, so isolve natin ang inequality na ito. So, paano natin siya isolve? So, 7x minus 4. Okay, paano natin siya isolve? Gamitin natin ang ating addition property of inequality. Meaning, mag-add tayo ng numbers sa both sides. So, ano yung number na i-add natin? 4. Para mawala si 4 dito sa kabilang side, so mag-add tayo ng 4 plus 4. Okay, so positive 4 kasi negative ang ating 4 dito. So kaya positive 4 ang inad natin para maging 0 ang 4. Is greater than or equal to 10 plus 4. Okay, so 7x, negative and positive subtract. So 4 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so greater than or equal to 10 plus 4 equals 14. So, 7x, ano ang gagawin natin para mawala si 7 at si x na lang yung maiwan? Ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin siya sa kanyang reciprocal. Ano yung reciprocal ni 7? 1 over 7. So, i-multiply natin. Ito yung ating multiplication property of inequality kanina. I-multiply natin sa kanyang reciprocal. Okay, multiplied by 1 over 7. At dahil nag-multiply tayo dito na side, i-multiply din natin ang kabilang side. So, 14 multiplied by 1 over 7. So, 7x times 1 is equal to 7x over 7 is greater than or equal to 14 times 1 is equal to 14 over 7. Okay, so 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. So, continue tayo dito. So, si x na lang yung naiwan. Si x, automatic meron siyang numerical coefficient na 1. So, x na lang ang isulat natin. Is greater than or equal to 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating sagot sa value ng ating x is greater than or equal to 2. So, ngayon, paano natin siya i-graph? So, positive 2 ang ating sagot. So, mag-start tayo dito sa 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pwede yan siyang mag-extend. So, 0, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pwede pa yan siyang mag-extend. So, positive 2. Saan si positive 2? Nandito. Okay, so nandito si positive 2. Kapag i-graph natin siya, ang ating solution is galing dito kay positive 2 kasi equal, greater than or equal to. So, equal to positive 2, papunta dito sa lahat ng positive number na greater than 2. Okay, so ito yung ating solution. Ito na yung graph natin. So, ang graph natin is nagpapahiwatig na ang solution natin sa ating x is positive 2 is equal to positive 2 or greater than positive 2. So, ibig sabihin, galing dito kay 2 at lahat ng positive number na mas malaki kaysa kay 2 is ang kanyang solution. Okay, i-check natin kung tama ba ang ating sagot. So, kung si x, pagpalagay natin na si x is equal to 2 kasi greater than or equal to. So, kung si x is equal to 2, so 7 multiplied by the value of x na positive 2 minus 4 is greater than or equal to 10. So, 7 times 2 is equal to 14 minus greater than or equal to 10. Oops, nawala si 4. Minus 4 is greater than or equal to 10. So, 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Is greater than or equal to 10. So, tama siya kasi 10 is equal to 10. Okay, so tama ang ating solution na 2. So, ngayon kukuha tayo ng isang number sa ating solution dito sa ating graph. Ipagpalagay natin na si 6. Okay, so si 6. I-try natin si 6 kung tama pa rin ba yung sagot natin. Kung ang value ni x is equal to positive 6, so 7 multiplied by the value of x na 6 minus 4 is greater than or equal to 10. 7 times 6 is equal to 42 minus 4 is greater than or equal to 10. So, 42 minus 4 is equal to 38 is greater than or equal to 10. So, si 38 is greater than 10. So, therefore, tama ang ating solution na si x is a positive 6. So, lahat ng number dito na galing kay positive 2, papunta dito sa right side, lahat ng mga positive integers is pwede mong gamitin as your solution. Example number 2 tayo. Solve and graph the solutions of the linear inequality. Negative 3x plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 16. Okay, so i-solve natin ang ating linear inequality. So, negative 3x plus 5. So, ano ang gagawin natin? Gagamitin natin ang addition property of inequality. So, dahil positive 5, so mag-add tayo ng negative 5 para mawala si 5. Is less than or equal to negative 16 plus negative 5. So, dapat ang both sides is nag-add ka ng negative 5. Okay. So, negative 3x, positive and negative, of course, 0. So, kasi positive times negative, negative pa rin siya. So, positive and negative is equal to 0 is less than or equal to negative. Okay. So, negative 16, positive and negative is negative 5. So, negative 3x is less than or equal to negative and negative. Pareho ang sign. Ibig sabihin, i-add natin at kokopyahin natin ang common sign na negative. So, 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. So, negative 21. Okay. So, ngayon, negative 3x and negative 21. Meron pa tayong numerical coefficient sa tabi ni x. So, ang gagawin natin, gagamitin natin ang multiplication property of inequality or MPI. I-multiply natin siya sa kanyang reciprocal. Okay. So, 3x. Ano ang reciprocal ni 3 or kabaliktaran ni 3? 1 over 3. So, multiplied by 1 over 3. So, si 1 over 3 natin is a negative number kasi negative 3 siya. So, negative 1 over 3 is less than or equal to negative 21 multiplied by negative 1 over 3. Okay, so negative 3x times negative 1 is equal to positive 3x kasi negative times negative is equal to positive over 3. Is less than or equal to negative 21 times negative 1 is equal to positive 21 over 3. Okay, so dito tayo. So, 3x divided by 3, so cancel. So, x is equal to 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. So, ibig sabihin, ang value ng ating x is 7. Sorry, hindi pala equal ang sign natin dito. So, dapat less than or equal to. So, x is less than or equal to 7. So, ito na yung sagot natin. X is less than or equal to 7. So, ang sagot natin is x is less than or equal to positive 7. Take note na ang minultiply natin dito is negative 1/3 at negative 1/3. Kapag negative ang i-multiply natin, ang gagawin natin sa ating sign is i-reverse natin siya. Dahil less than ito, so ang sagot natin is magiging greater than. So magiging x is greater than or equal to 7. So ito na yung final answer natin. Kapag i-graph natin ang ating sagot na x is greater than or equal to 7, so ang mangyayari is nandito ang ating positive 7. Dito ang ating negative integers at dito ang positive integers. So dito tayo sa positive 7. So nandito si positive 7. Okay, so dahil greater than or equal to, so ibig sabihin, mag-start tayo kay positive 7 at lahat ng positive integers na mas malaki kay positive 7 is kasama sa ating solution. So, greater than or equal to. So, dito ang ating solution. Okay, i-check natin kung tama ba ang ating sagot na greater than or equal to 7. So, ang ating equation is negative 3x plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 16. So, ang value ng ating x is greater than or equal to positive 7. So, i-check natin siya. Kung 7 yung gagamitin natin, positive 7. If x is equal to positive 7, so negative 3 multiplied by the value of x na 7 plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 16. So, negative 3 times 7 is equal to negative 21 plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 16. So, negative and positive, subtract, tapos kopyahin natin ang sign ng malaking number. So, negative ang sign ng malaking number. So, ang sagot natin is negative. So, 21 minus 5 is equal to 16. Is less than or equal to negative 16. So, tama ba ito? Of course, tama. Kasi negative 16 is equal to negative 16. So, therefore, positive 7 is our part of our solution. So, ngayon naman, kung kukuha tayo ng mga number dito sa ating positive integers na mas malaki kaysa kay 7, kung tama ba siya? Ipagpalagay natin na si x is equal to positive 10. I-check natin gamit ang value na positive 10. So, negative 3 multiplied by the value of x na positive 10 plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 16. So, negative 3 times 10 is equal to negative 30 plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 16. So, negative and positive, subtract. At kopyahin natin ang sign ng bigger number. Ang sign ng bigger number is negative. So, negative ang sagot natin. 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. is less than or equal to negative 16. Tama ba ito? Negative 25 is less than or equal to negative 16? Yes, tama. Kasi si negative 25 is mas maliit kaysa kay negative 16. Tandaan mo na kapag negative integers ang pinag-uusapan natin, ang malalaking negative integers is may maliit na value. So that's why si negative 16 is mas malaki compare kay negative 25. Okay, so napansin nyo sa ating nakaraang lesson na sa pag-solve natin ng linear equation in one variable using algebraic method is meron lang siyang isang solution. While kapag inequality naman yung pinag-uusapan natin is marami siyang solution. So yun ang kaibahan nilang dalawa. Ang susunod nating lesson is solving linear equation in one variable involving absolute value by algebraic method and graphing. That's all for today's video, guys. See you on our next lesson. Bye!